What it is, what it do, it's your girl, Should It Be, aka Finest Nigerian, back at it again with another video, you feel me? In this video, I am doing a 3-step fitting braids that I have on my head, and it's a DIY, do-it-yourself. A lot of you, I know I do this style on myself, but I also realize that not a lot of people can do it on themselves. So I hope you just enjoy watching me be a witch and doing my own hair. You feel me? I only trust myself and one other person to touch my hair, so I have no choice but to do my own hair. Even though I hate doing my own hair, it is tiring. It took me 2 days to get this hair done, because some of y'all gonna ask me how long did it take. It took me 2 days, not the whole day, because I did not get started on the first day till like 9 p.m. and then the next day I worked, so I didn't start again till like 8 p.m. So I did it until like midnight, 1 a.m. type of shit, you know what I'm saying? So it was exhausting. I was tired. I didn't want to. I was sick, but I had to get my hair done, and I had no choice but to do it myself. And I intend on doing it myself, not because I couldn't go to someone. I just wanted to do it myself because my head is so sensitive. People are pulling and pulling. I don't have time for that, so I'd rather just sit down, do my own head, you know, how I want to, you feel me? So that is what we did with this video. I'm not gonna do too much talking anymore. Don't forget to hit that like button, comment below on what style you want to see next, or whatever video you want me to do next. Leave that in the comment section, and do not forget to subscribe. Let's get to 1,000 subscribers. I know it is my fault for why I haven't been at 1,000 subscribers, and I'm begging y'all to help me get to 1,000 subscribers. And with that being said, watch this video, watch it right now. I pre-parted my hair into the 3 layers that I'm going to be braiding in: the first, the second, and the 3rd layer. So I'm going to start braiding now, just parting. The first 2 layers, I'm always usually lazy because it's going to be covered by the very top layer anyway. So especially the last one, I just braid. Fitting braids is like literally straightforward. You grab a small piece of hair, you add it in. That's all you do. Small piece of hair, add it in. That's it, and keep braiding.
it's hard for me to braid because, as you can see, I ain't got a lot of hair on my edges, but at least I got some, so I ain't tripping, you feel me? to the last and top layer. I'm just gonna part it right straight down the middle. And I look so tired. I was very tired. But we gotta do what we gotta do. There wasn't a lot of footage of me braiding the top layer, but you guys get the idea, you get the gist. It's literally repetitive. Just keep part it down, braid, part, braid, and then move to the other side and do the same thing until you're done. So I did not get a lot of film of me recording the top layer. I do apologize for that, but here is the final result. This is actually a week later. Like I said, I was very tired on this night and I had to work the next very morning. So I just did what I had to do to go to bed and make it to work. So a week later, I was able to film. And as you can see, it's already looking old because I have natural hair, and that's what happened when you have natural hair and braids.
Okay guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. How did you think I did? I did not record doing this hair as much as I would want to, because like I said, it was dark, I was on the bed, the lighting wasn't right, I was sick, I wasn't feeling alright, but I still wanted to record some content. So I hope you guys do enjoy this video, and I'll see you in my next video.